Swkango Khokjakmani Rangchakni Manwi Khwnwino Bishalgarh Amchaini Naitugwi Tikhlaikha Police Paithago Patimungo Kwrwngjak Khoroksa arrest Khlaikha Thanani Police Phasalo Kaisa Kokthum Panda Kokno Sakha Gomati Hangkhor SP Kiran Kumar ke
Khokjakmani Bishalgarh Amchaini Kisi Swkango Khokjakmani Amchaini Naitugwi Habai Rangchakni Manwi Khwnwino Kokthum Paithago Patimungo Khlaikha Fire FIR Manwi Yagulo Patimungo Khwnwino Police Abuni Yagulo Paithago Bishalgarh Amchaini Naitugwi Rangchakni Manwi Khwnwino Abu Hakilo Rangchakni Manwi Khwnwino arrest Khlaikha Police.
In the month of 23rd, on 23rd May, one theft incident occurred in the house of one lady, Srimati Suma Devnath. She stays in Sonamura, Chomoni. She is actually owning one passport shop where the AP used to work there only. Then his name is Akash, 18 years. We caught him on 24th 8 in the month of August 24, and he confessed to the crime. And after interrogating him, we formed a team under the leadership of SDPO Nirman Das and OC Arkepur. Then we came to know that he has sold this gold items to one Kokan Devnath in Bishalgarh. Accordingly, we arrested him and we have recovered gold chain 1 piece, earring 1 pair, and ring 1 piece, and bangle 1 piece. And he has been arrested, and already Akash is in the custody, and Kokan Devnath will be pursued. The case number is 128/25 Arkepur case.
Ashalo Rangchakni Manwi Khwnwino arrest Khlaimani Yagulo Patimungo Naitugwi Khoroksa Arkepur Thanani Police Patimungo Sabo Kwrwngjak Abuno Naitugwi Khoroksa Arkepur Thanani Police Udaipur Nishmi Rajibni Kokthum Chini Khorang.